Oh, howdy, hey there, neighbor. What you working on?
Oh, just making a marching band drill show. What about you?
I can see you're working on a parabola.
Yeah, I'm having some difficulties. No matter what I try, no matter what I do, just can't get a good parabola. I can get all sorts of boxes, curves, no parabola. You got any ideas on how I?
Yeah, sure. Let me show you how to do that.
Okay.
To find out the equations for this parabola, you must go through a series of steps including finding the axis of symmetry, the vertex, and the x and y intercepts. We will first overlay a coordinate plane over the football field from sideline to sideline. We then have the x-axis actually on the top hash mark line rather than the bottom sideline of the field to help us find the points later on the parabola. You will later see this in the drawings. Once we've identified the parabola shown in red, we can then see key points, like the vertex at 0, negative 8.5. Once we've identified the vertex, we can see that the axis of symmetry is on the y-axis, or y equals 0. Another question we can answer before solving is whether the parabola is a maximum or a minimum. The parabola is a minimum because the vertex is the lowest point on the arc. Thus, the minimum is y equals negative 8.5. Without doing anything else, we can also identify the x-intercepts because only they come out to clean points, at x equals negative 6 and at x equals 6. With these two key points, we now have 2 points we can use later to solve in our equation to solve for the vertex form. Our first equation is in vertex form, y equals a, open quantity, x minus h, closed quantity, squared, plus k. H and k are equal to the x and y values of the vertex. Thus we substitute 0 for h and negative 8.5 for k. Then we substitute a known point on the arc for our x and y values in our equation. So we substitute 0 for x and x for y, representing our known point. We solve the equation for our a value, and then replug the value for a along with our vertex. Thus we have our parabola's equation in vertex form. We now have our equation, y equals 17 over 72, open quantity, x minus 0, closed quantity, squared, minus 8.5. We now need to convert this into standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c. Converting this is not as hard as it seems. All you have to do is just simply break the equation down. So to solve for x minus 0 squared, and FOIL resulting in x squared, which is multiplied against 17 over 72, leaving just 17 over 72x squared. This is your a value. All that remains is negative 8.2 as the c value, which, mind you, is also the y-intercept. There is no b value because there is no remaining x variable after foiling the binomial x minus 0 squared. Ta-da! Your converted equation in standard form is y equals 17 over 72x squared minus 8.5. See, it's not that hard.
How's that help, Nathaniel?
Oh, that makes a lot more sense now. Thanks, Trevor.